Hey guys, 4th of July is coming up and I can't think of a better way to celebrate than with a brisket burger. My buddies over at CAB Porkula in Little Rock, Arkansas were kind enough to gift me a brisket burger package that they are actually selling this week. So take advantage if you're in Central Arkansas, go see them, get your brisket burger kit. It's 80 bucks and it will feed 8. That's a heck of a deal. I can't wait to get this cook started. Stick around. Yeah. All right, let's unbox this brisket burger kit and see what all we got.
Aioli sauce,
Shredded lettuce, and they even throw in some onions and bacon. That's awesome. And you get to pick 3 sides. For my first side, I chose their slaw, and you can't have a proper 4th of July cookout without some potato salad. Is it really even a cookout if you don't have beans? Their barbecue beans are fire. If you're in the Central Arkansas area, you gotta try them. And this brisket burger kit comes complete with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 buns. Amazing. And the star of the show, 4 pounds of ground brisket burger. Let's make some brisket burger patties. Here we go. Man, I cannot wait to get into this. It's gonna be amazing. We're just gonna smush these down, kind of get them thin. Now you can cook this however you want. You can do a, just regular grilled burger, but we're doing smash burgers. That's the way they recommend you cook it, and that's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna do 2 patties on each burger. I have a family of 5, so that's how many we're gonna make. And this is an 80-20 pure brisket. They do this, they do brisket burgers, I think once a week at both locations in North Little Rock and in Little Rock. If you haven't been by to check them out, then you need to go. Some of the best barbecue I've ever had. I know that for a fact. Oh, there's some partying going on next door at Runway Ryan's. Runway Ryan's over there getting his Kamado ready. He's gonna cook his skirt steak, probably mess up my video. That's okay, he's a good guy. Go ahead and follow him. Link in the description below. Cooking up a skirt steak, didn't invite me over, but that's okay. I know he meant to in his heart. So I'm gonna roll with my Casks-n-Que beef rub. It consists of just salt, pepper, onion, garlic, and a few other little things. Nice even application. We want this brisket to shine through. So we're gonna cook these brisket burgers on the old Blaze griddle. All right, we got the Blaze griddle heated up. We're gonna cook these burgers in some Wagyu beef tallow because why not? A spoonful. Nice. Let that melt down, get nice and hot. Shouldn't have any problem with those burgers sticking to the griddle. I'm keeping this side over here on a low setting, and this is more of a medium high. All right, let's get these guys on. Whew, that's hot. And these are smelling good already. That pepper's coming through. You get that nice beefy smell. It smells like summertime. Man, oh man, this is gonna be a treat. I'm telling you folks, you need to go to CAB Porkula. 2 locations, one on Maumelle Boulevard in North Little Rock and the other in Little Rock on Keatley. And pick you up one of these brisket burger kits. You're not gonna be sorry. It smells delicious. Man, that sizzle, you know it's gonna be good. Let's go ahead and flip these burgers. Woo-hoo-hoo, some grease got on my foot. Oh, yes sirree. I said yes sirree, and I'm not even embarrassed. We're just gonna let those guys go until they're done, obviously, and we're gonna top them with cheese, and we're gonna build us a fantastic burger. This can be yours. All you gotta do is call old Count Porkula up and tell them Casks-n-Que sent you, and that you want that old brisket burger kit that they got. Hey, since we're waiting on those to finish cooking, we're gonna go ahead and get our onions and bacon on the griddle, keep it nice and warm. Basically just reheating this. That bacon's already been cooked. Count Porkula does all the work for you. All you gotta do is reheat it and get it in some of that Wagyu beef tallow. That's not gonna hurt anything. Maybe your arteries, but you don't really need those. Let's go ahead and layer a couple pieces of American cheese on these burgers. You can use pepper jack, you can use cheddar, you can use whatever you like, but you know, I like to keep it simple, and I happen to like American cheese. If you don't, that's fine, use what you like. I'm gonna do that kind of deal. And those fellas over at Count Porkula do recommend that you build a double. So let's go ahead and do that. Yes, sir. Get some of that beef tallow on there. I think it'd be criminal not to toast these buns on the flat top after we had those delicious burgers on there. So let's do that real quick. All right, let's build us a burger. Let's break out our aioli sauce. Go pretty liberal with it too, because it's delicious. All right, next we're gonna hit it with some lettuce. There we go. Let's go ahead and get this patty on top. Then we gotta come in with some of those onions that we griddled along with that bacon, because that's just the way it ought to be. We'll take this nice toasted bun and hit it with a little more of that aioli to top everything off and kind of just bring everything together into one delicious, ultimate brisket burger from Count Porkula. Their website is in the description box below. I encourage you to go visit them. If you're in the Central Arkansas area, you gotta go. And now for the top. Oh man. This is gonna be freaking awesome. All right, the moment of truth has arrived. Is this the best burger I've ever made? Will it bring peace to the world? Maybe. Let's go in for the kill. I want to make sure I get some cheese on there and some of that onion. Here we go. I need a moment. So right off the bat, it's the brisket, man. The CAB brisket shines through. It's amazing. While the brisket is the star of the show, the aioli is amazing. It really brings out some more depth in the burger. The caramelized onions along with the bacon, man, it is absolute heaven. Do not miss this. Hey, if you like what we're doing here at Casks-n-Que, then please like, subscribe, and smash that bell. It's gonna notify you when I upload new content, and that helps us out a lot, and we certainly appreciate it. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.